Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by installing the latest Windows 11 updates to improve security and performance. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Check for Updates now. Remove unused apps by uninstalling programs and optional features you never use. Run disk cleanup to delete temporary files, system cache, and previous installations. Use Storage Sense to automatically free space when your disk reaches a threshold. Restart after updates and cleanup to apply changes and stabilize system processes. Keep drivers current by checking Device Manager or the PC Maker's support site regularly. Adjust visual effects to balance appearance and speed using performance options under System Settings. Turn off animations, transparency, and background apps you do not need running. Set power mode to best performance in power and battery to increase responsiveness. Limit startup programs via Task Manager to reduce boot time and memory usage. Consider enabling Ready Boost with a fast USB drive if your device has slow storage. Regularly check Resource Monitor to identify background processes consuming CPU or disk. Disable unnecessary services only if you understand their purpose to avoid breaking features. Upgrade to an SSD to dramatically improve boot times and application load speeds. If possible, increase RAM to 16 GB or more for smoother multitasking performance. Clean dust from vents and fans to prevent thermal throttling and CPU slowdowns. Consider a fresh install of Windows 11 when upgrades and tweaks do not fix issues. Check SSD health with manufacturer tools and keep firmware updated to maintain performance. Use a cooling pad for laptops and ensure vents have 3.5 inches clearance for airflow. Balance upgrade cost against benefits and prioritize storage and RAM improvements first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.